Hello, this video is for the online tutors, and as you have probably heard, Adobe Connect is making an upgrade to 9.7, and in that upgrade there is going to be a change because eventually the Adobe add-in and the Flash will be gone, and so your Adobe Connect meeting rooms will not have the same functions as they will with the 9.7 upgrade. So if you are on the same computer each time you do an online tutoring class, that will actually be better for you than for you to jump around to other computers. But you can do this same thing that I'm going to show you right now on any computer that you're on, and every time you log in, it's going to be there. So if you simply do a search for Adobe Connect download, and look for the Adobe Connect download and updates. When you scroll down, it's going to be the one for Windows. So it's www.adobe.com/go/connect setup. And I will send that to you in the email as well. And once you do that, then it comes up with an installer that looks like this, and then you would click on install. When you click on install, it will install this on your computer. It does not take very long at all for it to download, and it should put a shortcut on your screen here, and you can drag that down and pin it to your taskbar so that it will also be down here on your taskbar. Now, the reason you want to do that is because once you know what your tutoring room is, let's say you're going to go into meeting 1 and you copy that, you will not have to any longer go back to your document to find that meeting room, even though sometimes you just click on it from the email that is sent to you. You don't even have to go into your email anymore if you're using the same ones every time. Because when I open that new link, you can see that I have been in these 4 meeting rooms. They're going to stay on there. They're going to be in my recents. So now I'm not going to have to go find them. They're going to be right there. And once I've gone into them, so like if I had pasted that in there then and went to it, it's going to be just like it always is. I'll show you that in just a second, but once I have gone into them, then all I have to do is click on this launch and it's going to take me to that page. It's going to take me to that meeting room. And so all 4 meeting rooms are going to be there. It's going to be easier for you to manipulate it and go through it. And the way that that looks when you go in is just like it always does. You still have to put TLC tutor at brusha.edu with the password study 1 at, and then enter the room. And once you've entered the room, then it's going to record it as a room that you frequent, and it's going to show up. And so from even if it's tomorrow that you come in, a day later, and you still launch your Adobe Connect from your login, then it's going to take you straight to this meeting room. It's going to make it so much quicker for you. If you know what meeting room you're in, then you could just log in and boom, there it is. Now, like I said before, it is better, it works if you're at the same computer every time. This is not something that we can download on the desktop of each of the computers in the Learning Center. But if you stay with 1 or 2 or 3 computers every time you do an online session, then do it this way so that you can start keeping your meeting rooms right there ready to go. Okay, I hope this helped, and if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. Thank you. Be blessed.